Hello everyone, I'm D, and today I just want to make quick videos to showcase a couple of the personal projects that I've been working on. So let's get into it straight. Okay, so the first one is this website. So for now, I just call it Reviewers Hub. So this website is created as a platform for people to come over and write some reviews for some companies they used to work at, where they are currently working at. So this website looks like Glassdoor.com, but for now I don't have too many features compared to Glassdoor.com, except that users can only write reviews for some company at this moment. So this website is built on top of a blockchain, and the reason for that is that I want the reviews that people wrote to be secured and stored on there, so that even the owner of the website, that is myself, is not able to remove those reviews. So no one should be able to remove other people's reviews on this website here.
Oh my god!
So that's why I thought about that. I decided to build this website on top of a blockchain. However, there was a problem that I thought about, and that is the gas fees. So remember that every time you try to make transactions on the Ethereum blockchain, it's gonna cost you a lot of money. I don't really think people want to pay like $100 to just write reviews. If that's the case, then no one probably want to like come over here and write reviews. So what I did at the end was to just pick a layer 2 network. So there are several different layer 2 solutions there, and the benefits I can get from them is that transaction fee is gonna be pretty low, like extremely low. So right now I have my smart contract deployed to a layer 2 network, and that is called the base network. So I think Coinbase made that network. I tried by making some reviews earlier. The gas fee is super low, so let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is to connect your crypto wallet right here. So yeah, seems like this button does not work because I remember I included pretty much all the cryptocurrency wallets, but for some reason they are not showing up. Because this is only a prototype of the website, so only for demo. But I have to check for this part and see if there was something that I need to fix later. But major crypto wallets should be available inside this little box. So for now, I'm gonna use the MetaMask because this is the wallet that I use a lot. I would say probably this is the only crypto wallet I used. So I'm gonna select one of the crypto wallets right now. And by the way, so this smart contract was deployed to the test network on the base network. So it's not in the productions where it's not on the main network yet. So I still need to do some testing for now, but you can see here my crypto wallet has been connected, and now I just want to make some reviews. So I can either click on this tab right there or this button right there. So now I was brought to this page. So basically what I want to do is that I type in a name of the companies here, and then I can write some reviews. But I don't have too many sample companies here. Because the database part hasn't been populated yet. So I do have some sample I just fake companies here I made. So I will say maybe click on this one here to look at the review or write some review here. So as you can see, this sample companies doesn't have any reviews there yet. Yeah, it's a nah. Yeah, it's funny. But now I want to write a review. Let's say I click on this button. And I can literally give whatever the name I want to make. There's no KYC required. Basically, I allow users to stay anonymous by just naming themselves whatever they wanted. So, because I want to give people disability. Hang on, apologize. Alright, someone with a name. So let's say this company is 4-star. So this is a 4-star review. By the time I add this button, my wallet should pop up and showing that there will be a transaction that I need to confirm. So click on this submit review button here, wait for a couple of seconds maybe, and my MetaMask wallet shows up, and it shows that the gas fee is super cheap, like it's nearly like nothing there. So I click on the confirm button here, just wait for a few seconds for that transaction to go through, and it go through now, so it just pop up. Okay, so and voila, website says that okay, your review was submitted successfully. Scroll down a little bit. Here is my review for that company here. So it's a 4-star review. Let's say I want to give a thumbs up or a thumbs down for this specific review. I still need to go through the same process because I don't want people to, you know, just blindly to give a thumbs up or thumbs down. So for others that want to give a thumbs up or a thumbs down to a specific review, they still need to make transactions, and we're gonna record that record on the blockchain as well. So gonna click on the confirm and just quick check the gas fee, and now it became even lower. Okay, so click on that. Give it a few seconds. Hope the transaction could go through. And yes, vote review successfully. And see, this is the thumbs up I just made. Awesome. So yeah, that's pretty much all I want to kind of show. I want to do a demo about for this specific website here. There's still tons of the features that are not available yet. I still need to do a lot of testing with the team I've been working with. So we'll see, we'll see. But I just want to show the specific features about writing reviews and uploading on the blockchain so that you guys can see what's going on here. All right. So that's that. The second project I want to show you guys is this simple ones. So yesterday I just created a UI chatbot page here using this library here called Streamlit. Although the company said that it's open source, I don't really think it's open source. If you go ahead and check their code on their GitHub repos, it said there was a license that said it was a fair code license or something like that. I don't really think it's open source for some reason, but the company said it's open source. So, I mean, I have no problem with that. But anyway, this is the Python module called Streamlit. So what I like about this module is that I can literally just write a Python code, and this library or module is gonna do the heavy work for me by turning my Python code into HTML and JavaScript code so that I can see the things like the buttons, share text input box here, or anything that I want to display on a web page here. So I just need to write a Python code to do that. So that's what I like about it. And this library, I think this library was created specifically for data scientists, but as a software engineer, I found I can utilize this function to create a simple, ChatGPT UI page. So this is my page here. And here's my code. You see that I'm running this server on my local machine here. And I didn't really write a lot of code, so less than 100 code for the main script, and less than 30 lines of code for some functions that I want to call from this file here. So yeah, it's not a lot of code. That's part of the reason why I like this module here. So let's see. So basically, just wanna do a quick demo for showing case what I have on my super simple chatbot UI page here. So if I click on this button, it shows that there's no chat history. here. So that's the button that's gonna store the conversation between the user and the AI. And here there's another button that I can delete the history here. But currently I don't have any conversation stored, so that's totally fine. Um, let's see. Tell me some jokes. Okay, cool. You know, you show me some jokes here. All right. Now more jokes, please. And as you can see, when I send my second request, so the UI wipes out the previous conversation and displays the answers for my second request. That's due to the ways that this library was created. I think I haven't found a way to kind of shows the previous conversations on the same page yet, but that's why I create these buttons. Users can simply just click on this button and to show the chat history here. You see that's my first request to the AI, and that's my second request. And if I type something else, that conversation is going to be stored automatically as well. Let's say, what else I want to say? What model are you? I'm a digital AI assistant developed by OpenAI. So yeah. All right, cool. Let's say that I close this page here and I stop the server and restart the server again and go back to that page. And I want to see the chat history here, so I click on this button and it still shows me the conversations that I just made previously. I think this was done by the Python module called shelves. I just learned that this is a solution for some application that doesn't want that don't want to use the database for some reason. So I can literally just store some key value pairs informations using this library here. I probably need to spend more time and learning about it, but for now I just use this module to do that. So there's no database involved in this application at all. So yeah, if I click on this delete chat history button, so the conversation history is gonna be deleted, and click on this load chat history button again, it shows that there's no chat history saved. So yeah, this is just a simple chat box UI I made in, I think, literally just like 10 minutes, I guess. But I did spend a lot of time just learning about this library here. So by looking at the documentations and look at some other people's sample code, that there's tons of chatbot UI that people make here. But I do like this library. It's simple for me to use. I can just literally write like less than 200 lines of code to make this simple chatbots UI page here. So yeah, just want to make quick videos for a couple of the projects that I have been working on. So if you haven't done so already, please hit the like button, share it, and please think about subscribing to my YouTube channel. With that, thank you so much for your support. I will see you in the next video.